Hey there, homeowners. Tired of those sky-high electricity bills? I've got good news. You can harness the power of the sun and generate your own clean, renewable energy with solar panels. It's a smart investment that can save you money and help the environment. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of installing your own solar panel system. Don't worry if you're not an electrician. I'll break it down into easy-to-understand steps that anyone can follow. We'll cover everything from the basics of solar energy to choosing the right components, and from installation to maintenance. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to start your DIY solar journey. So let's dive in and empower you to take control of your energy future. Solar energy is simply the energy we get from the sun. It's a clean and sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Solar panels are made up of photovoltaic cells, which are like tiny energy factories. When sunlight hits these cells, it knocks electrons loose, creating an electrical current. This direct current, or DC electricity, is then converted into alternating current, or AC electricity, by an inverter, making it usable in your home. Think of it like this. Sunlight is like water flowing through a pipe. The solar panel acts as a water wheel, converting the water's energy into mechanical energy. The inverter acts as a generator, converting the mechanical energy into usable electricity. Pretty cool, right? Before you jump into installing solar panels, it's crucial to have a solid plan. First, determine your energy needs. Check your electricity bills to see how much you use on average. Next, assess your roof space. Make sure you have enough unshaded area facing south for optimal sunlight exposure. Consider your budget and explore available incentives. Solar panel systems can be a significant investment, but there are often government rebates and tax credits to help offset the cost. Finally, check local regulations and building codes. Some areas may require permits or have specific guidelines for solar panel installations. Now let's talk about the essential components of a solar panel system. First and foremost, you'll need solar panels, the workhorses of your system. They come in different sizes and efficiencies. Second, you'll need an inverter to convert the DC electricity from your panels into usable AC electricity. Next, you'll need a mounting system to securely attach the panels to your roof. This typically involves rails, clamps, and flashing for weatherproofing. For storing excess energy, consider a battery bank. This allows you to use solar power even when the sun isn't shining. Section 5. Installing your solar panels. A DIY guide. Now comes the exciting part: installation. Before you begin, always remember safety first. Work with a partner and disconnect the power to your home at the main breaker box. Start by installing the mounting system according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure it's level and securely attached to your roof rafters. Next, carefully position and connect the solar panels to the mounting rails using the provided clamps. Make sure the panels are wired together according to the system's electrical diagram. Once the panels are in place, connect the wiring to the inverter, following the manufacturer's guidelines. Section 6. Maintaining your solar system tips for optimal performance. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your solar panel system. To keep it running smoothly for years to come, regular maintenance is key. Keep your panels clean by rinsing them with water periodically. Dirt and debris can reduce their efficiency. Monitor your system's performance using the inverter's display or a monitoring app. Look for any significant drops in energy production which could indicate a problem. Inspect the wiring and connections annually for any signs of wear and tear. And finally, consult a qualified electrician for any repairs or maintenance tasks that require professional expertise. Section 7. Safety first. Precautions for a solar panel installation. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. Before you begin any installation work, disconnect the power to your home at the main breaker box. Work with a partner who can assist you and provide a second pair of eyes. Wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves, safety glasses, and a hard hat. Use caution when working on the roof and ensure you have a stable and secure platform. If you're ever unsure about a step in the process, don't hesitate to consult a qualified electrician. Section 8. The bright side of solar: reaping the rewards. By now, you've gained a solid understanding of DIY solar panel installation. From understanding the basics of solar energy to planning your project, selecting components, and following the installation steps, you're well on your way to harnessing the power of the sun. Remember, installing solar panels is not only good for the environment, but also for your wallet. You'll reduce your reliance on traditional energy sources, save money on electricity bills, and potentially even increase the value of your home. So, take the leap and enjoy the many benefits of clean, renewable